Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we will go to the chapter 4, yes, electrochemistry. So this is the outline for chapter 4. We have 4.1. We look at the types of electrochemical cell. The second one, 4.2, we will look at the half reaction and electrodes. 4.3, we look at the electrolysis. Okay, first, let's look at the introduction of the electrochemistry. Electrochemistry is a study of the interconversion, electrical and chemical energy. What does it mean by interconversion? Interconversion or interchange between electrical and chemical energy. In some cell, we use electrical energy to initiate or to let the reaction happen. Okay, but in some cell, a chemical reaction can give us or can produce electrical energy. Yeah, so that is electrochemistry. An electrochemical cell is a cell that consists of electrodes that dip into electrolyte. Yeah? We have two types of electrochemical cell. We have galvanic cell and electrolytic cell. And what is redox reaction? Redox reaction is a chemical reaction that occurs simultaneously, yeah? Which is oxidation and reduction. Yeah? So both oxidation and reduction occur simultaneously. Oxidation will happen at anode and reduction will happen at cathode. So this is a good formula for you to remember. Yeah, oil rig. Oxidation is losing electron. Reduction is gain electron. Oil rig, or we have girler. Yeah, macam-macam lagi lah. Okay, so then what is half cell reaction? Half cell reaction is the reaction occur at anode and at cathode. And combination of the two half cell reaction give an overall redox reaction. Electrode. Yeah. Next, electrode. What is electrode? Electrode represent by anode and cathode of the cell. Yeah. Salt bridge. Yeah. Salt bridge is a U-shaped tube which contain a gel permeated with a solution of inert electrolyte such as potassium chloride, whose ions will not react with another ion in solution or with the electrode. Yeah? Salt bridge, we use glass U-shape, dalam dia macam tube. Yeah? Inside the tube, we insert the gel that contain the solution with inert electrolyte. Yeah, inert electrolyte. What does it mean by inert? Inert means that it does not react with ion of interest. Yeah, ion that involved in the oxidation and reduction reaction. Okay, types of electrochemical cell. Yeah, we have two types. We have voltaic cell and electrolytic cell. Voltaic cell will release energy from spontaneous chemical reaction, yeah? Spontaneous redox reaction. So from the chemical reaction, we can have electric energy. Okay, system does work on surrounding. For this system, for this cell, system will do the work to the surrounding. Yeah? So this is surrounding. This is electrode. Yeah? This is anode. This is cathode. Anode is negative. Cathode is positive. Yeah? Oxidation will happen at anode. reduction will happen at cathode. Okay. This is oxidation half reaction. Oxidation is losing electrons. See, what does it mean by lose? When it's react, the product is the electron. It lose the electron. While a reduction is gaining electron, so it needs electron to be reduced. Yeah, this one it lose electron to be oxidized. When we combine these two half reaction, we get the overall cell reaction. Okay, so that is voltaic cell. The second one is electrolytic cell. Electrolytic cell use electrical energy to drive or to initiate non-spontaneous chemical reaction. Yeah? So that chemical reaction is redox reaction. Yeah? So we need a power supply because we need electrical energy. So this is the electrolytic cell. Okay, this is, okay, sorry, I forgot to explain this one. Yeah, voltaic cell, this is salt bridge. Yeah, this is salt bridge. Okay, but for electrolytic cell, the electrolyte are in the same container. For electrolytic, electrolyte for anode and cathode are in different container but being connected with the U-shaped salt bridge. Okay, so for electrolytic cell, surrounding means that the electrical power supply do work on the system to the cell. So we have anode. Anode is positive. For electrolytic cell, anode is positive. For voltaic cell, anode is negative. It is opposite. While cathode is negative. But it is the same. Oxidation happen in anode, reduction happen in cathode. Okay. And this is the half reaction for electrolytic cell. Still the same. Oxidation is losing electron. Reduction is gaining electron. And we combine the two half reaction, we get the overall reaction. Okay. Okay. First, we look at the galvanic cell first. Yeah, galvanic cell or voltaic cell. Yeah. This cell is also known as voltaic cell. A cell which a chemical reaction generate an electric current spontaneously. E naught cell is bigger than 0 for spontaneous reaction. Okay, if the E cell is bigger than 0, so the reaction is spontaneous. Anode is negative, cathode is positive. Once even electron flow from the anode to the cathode, from the anode, this is anode, once electron flow from anode to the cathode, the charge in each electrolyte, in each container, beaker, will not be balanced and the flow of electron will stop. If the electron flow from anode to cathode, so electron will reach in cathode, there is no more electron. So in order to balance this, so that the reaction will not stop, we need to have salt bridge to balance back the charge in each beaker. So if more electron goes to cathode, this side will become positive. So the negative ion will move here through the salt bridge. The positive ion will move here through the salt bridge. So, okay. And therefore, we use salt bridge to balance the charge, to keep the charge balanced. Cat ion move toward the cathode, anion move towards the anode. Okay, so look at this cell, voltaic cell of zinc and copper. Okay, so this is zinc, this is copper. This is oxidation. Oxidation is losing electron. Zinc 2 plus, okay, sorry. Zinc from the anode will lose the electron, become zinc 2 plus. So the electron lose will move to the cathode. And at the cathode, copper 2 plus will gain the electron. Yeah. So it will become copper and it deposited at this cathode. So anode will become smaller, cathode will become bigger. Yeah. So this is oxidation half reaction at anode, and this is reduction half reaction at cathode, and this is the overall cell reaction. Okay, see, the zinc will become thinner, the copper will become thicker. Okay, so this is a voltaic cell, a table showing a voltaic cell with a voltage for some common battery. Yeah, common alkaline flashlight battery will give a voltage of 1.5. Lead, lead acid car battery, 6 cell, which is equal to 12, so we get 2.0. Calculator battery, mercury battery, 1.3 voltage. Lithium ion laptop battery will give us 3.7 voltage. Electric eel that have almost 5,000 cell in 6 feet long length of eel, which is equal to 750 volt, will give us 0.15 voltage. Yeah? Nerve of a giant squid will give us 0.070 voltage. So okay, I think we stop here first. We will continue in the next video. Assalamualaikum.